kitty cafe today called Koneko. It was $25 a person. We're hoping they have a lot of cute cats. It seemed like a legit cafe with like okonomiyaki.
And Koneko means kitty in Japanese. The more you know. Knowledge is power. Kitty cafe was fun.
Yeah, it was really cute. But we were just saying that the cats are a little bit more social in the downtown Brooklyn one. But we did have treats there.
I feel like the kitties here were a little bit more disinterested.
They're a lot more in like a smaller space.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
If I go to another kitty cafe, I definitely would want to have snacks.
Yeah.
Unrelated merch.
Creepy. Creepy.
Tonight you're for dinner. This is Yuta's secret recipe. Mmm, scrumptious. Just added the kimchi into the bowl.
I was gonna say whenever, yeah, it's very nice.
Amazing.
Amazing. Put it right on top of the gochujang and stuff to make it soften it up a little.
Ooh, pro tip, you heard it here live.
And we go mix.
Mix. Pipyo. He only uses the chopsticks because he's a pro, right?
Whoa. It's funny you said like that's my secret recipe. Like I made it once. And then last time you made it, so I was like it's like the oil like actually touches the flame. Like I think like I don't think there's an explosion. I think there's something bad that could.
Oh.
I should know this stuff, but I don't. Say it, yeah. Lots of bread from the gochujang and the kimchi. Oh, it's on camera. Yes, I was eating. Sue me.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is it gonna focus?
Oh. Yay! itadakimasu.
잘 먹겠습니다.
먹겠습니다.
Hello.
We are heading to the Metropolitan Opera to see Turandot. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Oh wow, that's more than I know. It should be a fun night. I don't know Italian.
Hopefully there is going to be like a booklet or something.
I've never been to an opera, but you know, first time for everything. I'm tried to look nice.
Yeah, he looks very nice.
Oh, thank you. She looks very nice too.
I was fishing for that one.
Horse?
Oh my god, is that the line?
You want to see this go down?
Yes.
Yeah, tilt it left.
Friday we went to Metropolitan Opera to see
Turandot.
which is a Puccini opera about a Chinese princess who has like a thing against men and doesn't want to get married. And she asks each suitor like 3 riddles, and if they can't answer it, she just kills them. It's about this guy who like really wants to marry her, and the story about that.
Simp.
Simp. We were super worried because the whole thing was in Italian and we were reading up on the plot, but it actually turns out that each seat had like a little transcript.
I don't know what the word for that is. That's what I imagine what the UN has. It's just like each individual display, like you're saying, just it covered like what the singers were singing. And so that was helpful to understand the story.
Yeah, it took a little bit of getting used to for me. I felt like I was like looking back and forth
Yeah,
on the stage.
yeah,
And then,
that was kind of tricky.
Yeah, but it also got us like nosebleed seats.
Something I just thought was weird was like, I'm used to Broadway intermissions where it's like 15 minutes, like enough to just maybe get a drink or go to the bathroom. There are 2 intermissions and the first one was close to 45 minutes. And I was like, what are we doing?
Either it was like for the stage, because in the second half there was like a really like crazy beautiful stage, or you know the actors like voices, or maybe it's like for us because I feel like you can only listen to opera for so long. Maybe they're like trying to like divvy it up as like much as possible, you know.
And the second intermission was almost 30 minutes too. But yeah, it was good. It was really good. I think we both said we'd come back again. Yeah, highly recommend.
Yeah, recommend.
I don't know, what style should I go with? Should I go with? Or should I go with oh, I don't know what this is. I was trying to go with like the emo.
Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. It's not a phase, Mom.
Oh, wow.
Today we are going to enter I Am. It looks really cool. It's like immersive type experience. It was like $48 for a ticket, which is pretty steep.
A little pricey, but you know, it's New York.
Very worth it.
Alright, on our way. On y va.
On y va.
I encourage you to take a moment to leave your worries behind. This is an opportunity to escape the chaos of New York City and reconnect with the present. Let go of your worries.
Looks like a Sith layer, you know?
Yeah, I was gonna say, I feel like we're on Mars or something.
Oh, I should have brought my lightsaber.
You should.
Lava-y.
Kind of warm, but nothing crazy.
Is that us? Oh yeah. Very cool.
That's really freaky. I don't like that it knew.
Even the bathrooms are trippy here.
What the bean? What?
Like creme brulee.
Bring it in.
I didn't know it was a video. Impossible burger. And purple rice.
Purple sea rice. What's the TikTok sound again? Ding, ding.
Oh yeah.
The next station is Shinjuku. The next station is
ブルックリンニューヨーク